Hello, my dear artist friends. Today, I am going to tell you how to make your first $1,000 selling your art. And hey, even if you're already selling your art, the information I'm sharing in this video is going to help you sell more of your art. Okay, so there's 3 steps to it. And step 1 is to have your art in 3 different price points. So make it available in a higher end price point, let's say $1,000 painting, in a mid tier price point, let's say $500, and then something much lower that would be a paper print or some sort of a small print reproduction that falls under $100. So that way you hit 3 different price demographics, 3 different types of customers. And this is really helpful for when you're first starting out because sometimes people are going to want to support your business, but they don't want to spend $1,000 or they can't spend $1,000, but they're willing to spend $95 on a small print of yours. And sometimes you are going to have that customer that wants to spend $1,000 or more, and you will have that for them. So have 3 different price points, 3 different options for 3 different types of buyers. The next step to making your first $1,000 is to reach a lot of people with your art. So for every 50 people you show your art to, you're going to have a good 15, 20% that love it, right? You're going to have another 5% that think about buying it. And then you've got that small percentage of people who are actually going to open their wallet and buy art from you. That's why the more people you show it to, the better. And then the third step is always make offers. So it's not enough just to show your art. And by the way, when I say show it to a lot of people, that's through social media, it's through live art shows. It's by talking about it to the lady in line behind you at the grocery store. It's letting everyone you know in every possible way aware that you are an artist and that you're selling your art. And so, with the third step, you want a call to action to let all those people know that you are offering your art for sale. So it's not enough just to post it on social media. You also have to say, hey, this artwork is available. And then you have a call to action. And that call to action is DM me if you want it. Or let's say you're texting someone, there's a family friend that showed interest in your art. You're going to text them a picture of your art and you're going to add a call to action. Hey, if you want this, let me know. I would love to sell it to you. That's a call to action. That's making an offer. So that's what you need to do. This was quick. This was simple, but hey, drop me a comment, hit subscribe, and let me know. Did this video help you? And hey, while you're down there, why don't you click the link to get in my inner circle? It's free. And if you like my videos, you're going to love being a part of my inner circle because that's where I give you the real stuff. All right, catch you next time. Ciao.